Hi everyone, this is Julie with Beadaholique, and I have a nice simple earring design to teach you today. And it is this iridescent pearl earring. So we've got some little prestige 4mm iridescent pearls and some lengths of chain that form a tassel at the bottom. So if I hold this up, you can see that has a lot of really fun movement to it, which is what I like. I like that movement and feel to it. And the iridescent pearls just really catch the eye. They're very beautiful in the way that they shine. So I'm going to teach you how to make this. So what you're going to need in terms of supplies is you'll need a pair of earring hooks. So I have this cleft design. I really like it. I think it's very modern. I have an eye pin, a 4mm jump ring, and I have 5 lengths of chain that I've already pre-cut into 1.5-inch lengths. And then I also have 3 iridescent pearls. Now, of course, this is for one earring, and we've already done the other. So when you're looking to purchase your supplies, you'll get 6 pearls. You'll buy enough chain for both earrings, and so forth. In terms of the tools that you'll need a pair of cutters, actually 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, and a pair of either round nose or wire looping pliers. So I've pre-cut my chain, but I do want to show you how to cut chain if you're not familiar with that. So I have a little scrap piece right here, and you see that the chain is made up of little links. So all you're going to do is cut one of the links. So I have just a link right there, and I trim it. So that link is destroyed, but you've got intact links on the other side. Now, if you do have a chain that's made up of open links, meaning you can open and close them like jump rings, then you can definitely just do that, and then you don't have to waste a link. Okay, so to make this project super easy, what we're going to start with is opening that jump ring that we've got. So we're going to take the jump ring, and we are going to grab it with our pliers and twist it open. Now onto the jump ring, we're going to place the end chain link for our 5 pieces of chain. So we're just going to put it right on there and slide it down. Just keep going till you have all 5. Now you could add even more. If you wanted to buy some extra chain, you can make it a little bit longer, you can make it thicker, whatever you like. But when you've got what you want, you're going to go ahead and close that jump ring right back up. So you want to make sure it's nice and closed. Now, excuse me, I touched the camera right there. Now what you're going to do is you're going to go like this, and you're going to look and make sure that your chain lengths are even. And you can just trim off any extra little bits of chain if they're not. Now mine are actually pretty even. I'm really actually very surprised and happy because with this one I had to trim a couple of them, just remove an end link just by cutting it off so that they would be even. But this is actually looking pretty good. Okay, so that is the tassel part, and it is now done. Now we're going to take our eye pin, and we're going to load on our 3 pearls. And we're just going to put them all 3 together on the eye pin, like so. Now, if you look at the example piece that we have, you'll notice we want, when we're holding it like this, it's going to go in your ear, you want that tassel jump ring to be facing forward. So if you look at the loops of our eye pin here that's finished, one is facing towards me and one is facing to the side. The bottom one is facing to the side, the top one is facing forward. So when we make this loop right here, we want to be aware of that. So I'm going to actually go ahead and put this one to the side and now make a loop right up here. And just twist it so it's appropriate, so it's properly oriented. Squeeze, and I'm using wire looping pliers. If you have round nose, you will just make yourself a traditional simple wire loop. Gonna make those wires crisscross, and where they do, we're gonna snip like so. Now we're going to open up that loop and slide on our earring hook. Okay, now close that loop back up so it's nice and secure. Now this bottom one, we're gonna go ahead and open up and slide on the jump ring that has our tassels. Now I'm just going to make sure that my loops are good. And I can straighten them out at this point if they're not quite lining up how I want. So I want this one facing forward, and I want this one facing to the side. So to do that, if you need to twist it a little, just grab your other pair of pliers and twist gently. Okay. And there we go. We have our other finished earring. So here is our matched set of these really fun, summery dangle earrings using prestige iridescent pearls and some chain and a really pretty earring hook. You can find all the supplies for these and other project tutorials at BeataHaliq.com.